And here they are playing. And they hear my voice and they think, oh, it's the lady with the food. Hello, little babies. There they are. This would be Bailey. Hey, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. You guys are hard to film. That one over there is Lily, the little brown one, and the little white one next to it who keeps moving away is Nick. And that would be little Jackie Baylor. Aren't they cute? Just a minute. Back up, guys. I know you hear my voice and you think you need to eat. That's Nick. There he is. Nick. And that one there is Bailey. And this little chubber by is little Jackie Baylor, right here. And right next to him is sister Lily. And they all figure I should be giving them something, but I just did. You guys playing? You hear the gurring. Those two are wrestling in the corner. That's Nick. Yep, that would be Nick. And that one is little Jackie Baylor. Don't go away. There you are. Hi. And this one, wait a minute, where are you? Where'd you go? She's Lily. And we think she's actually going to have Chihuahua ears. This little guy curled up by himself is Bailey. There's Bailey over there, and the one that looks just like him, which is little Jackie Baylor over here. Say hello. Let's zoom in on you. That would be little Jackie Baylor. Where are you going? Don't go in there. And I can't take your picture. Grr, grr, grr. This little brown and black one is Lily. And she's going to have Chihuahua ears. And this one over here, sneaking in beside the box, is Bailey. Bailey, get out of there. Hi. Are you hiding? You hiding, dude? And here comes little Jackie Baylor. He's beating up a toy. He's getting it. He's getting it. Puppy fight. Puppy fight. And there's Jackie playing with a toy. Every time he comes here, he's so laid back. His mom and dad thinks that he's a lazy puppy, but he's not. Look at him beating up a toy. And these two are wrestling. There's Lily. There's Lily. There she goes. There's Lily. She's going to go over and take on her big brother. See her little puppy ears? I think she's going to have Chihuahua ears, that one. And this one's Nick. Nick. That'd be him. He says, I hear you up there. I hear you up there. And there's Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. There he is. They always want to come close to where I am, which makes them really hard to film. Maybe if I back up here. So in there's Nick and Bailey. That's Nick and Bailey. And this one over here sitting is little Jackie Baylor. There he is. Isn't he cute? Hey, little Jackie Baylor. Hey, dude. And these guys, because they hear me, want to come up here. Oh, there's Lily. 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 She's the only girl one. she's my little escape artist too. If there's a way out, she will find it. There's Nick. He's our white one. And these two are pretty much identical, except one's a little darker and a little bigger. There's Lily coming in to wrestle with her brothers. She says, "You guys want to go? Want to go?" Isn't she cute? And there's Nick bouncing by himself. Oh, there's Lily out. You're still where I could take your picture. Hey. Oh, that noise they know. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Lily, Lily, Lily. Pretty girl, look at you. Yeah. She likes to wrestle with her brothers. She goes in and starts beating them up. This little guy down here in the corner, he's the most laid-back little puppy. He's like, "Oh, I could get in the wrestling. Anybody want to wrestle? Here, let me bite your tail." There's Lily and Bailey and Jack. Little Nick's over here by himself, investigating. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? As soon as I come to the side, they tend to all run over because they think I have food. Hey, Bailey. Here it comes. Hi, Lily. There's Nick. Where'd you go? There's Nick. Lily. Little Jackie Baylor. There we go. Hey, guys. Oh, ask him. Hey, Lily. Hey, Lily. I'm right here in the spot with my picture. I'm trying to escape. I cry and I'm looking for a way out. And there's no way in that corner. There's her buddy saying, "Hey, you can't get out that way. We already tried." And there's Nick. Little Jackie Baylor. They're like, "Hey, don't be sleeping. We gotta play. Yeah, wrestle with us." There's Bailey. Bailey. Oh, you're thinking about climbing over the edge. I don't think so. Where's Nick going? There he is. See his tail? There's Nick. Just get down. Get down. Get down. There's Bailey. There's Nick. Yeah, there they are. And over here we have Lily and Jack thinking about having a little chew on a towel. Their poor towels. Lily. Hey, Jackie Baylor. Hey, little Jackie Baylor. Yeah. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 puppies. And there's Nick. Gonna have a pee, I think. There's Lily. She's sure cute. She's the little girl. And there's Bailey saying, "Could you give me something to chew on?" With his little wrinkly face. Yeah. And there's Lily. I could just about poop down. And little Jackie Baylor. And over here's Nick. I'd say they weigh about 1 pound. That's 4 pounds a puppy. This guy really wants to get out of the bin. Hi, Bailey. There's Nick. Nick and Bailey. Oh, and there's little Lily trying to escape out the backside. Get back in the cage, you little brat. Look at her. She's such a little escape artist. She's going to be going over that soon. Better push it up against the bed. Alright, well, that's enough for now. And this is the puppies now. Hey guys, they're busy. They're busy. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Nick.
Hey, Mr. Man. Oh, that's Lily escaping. This is Lily. There she goes.
Pail over your bed.
That one over there is Nick, cuddling up to Amber, even though we're not taking Amber's picture. This guy here is little Jackie Baylor. Here, get in a picture.
Hi, Nick.
Hey, Bailey.
Hi, Nick.
Hey, Bailey. Here, turn over and let's take your picture. Hello, Bailey. Bailey.
Hi. Hi.
Do your tummy.
Oh.
Do your tummy. He says, oh, here comes little Jackie Baylor.
Hi,
Little
Lily.
Jackie
Hi,
Baylor.
Lily. Hi, Lily. Do you love your brother?
Ow, sharp puppy
Do you
teeth.
love your brother? Oh.
Biting his mom's leg. Over there. There you go. Little Jackie
Hey,
Baylor.
Lily, he don't.
Little Bailey. There's Lily. Ow! Ow, you're biting my finger, you little crapper. Yes, you little crapper. Oh, you're so tough, not. Hey, little Jackie Baylor. Little Jackie Baylor and his mom.
Hi, Bailey.
Here, we'll zoom a little bit.
Mom, you're going to get me in
No,
it, and
I'm
I
not.
don't want to be.
There they are. 3 puppies cuddled up to Amber, and here's another one. Here
Jack.
you go.
Jack.
Jackie Baylor
Jackie
getting
Baylor.
his tummy done.
Hi,
Tummy
Lily.
done. Tummy done.
Hi, Lily. I see you.
Puppy pile.
Oh.
Oh, don't pee.
Ow.
That's little Jackie Baylor getting his picture taken. Getting his
Ow.
picture taken.
Ow.
Chewing on my thumb.
Ow. Ow.
And that's Nick and Lily and Bailey over there beating up Amber, which is good.
Ow.
Check out that tummy. Look at his tummy in the air. Hey, little Jackie Baylor, you're supposed to be in there with the rest of the guys fighting. Fighting. Getting his tummy done. Getting his tummy
Ow,
done.
guys. Don't bite your mom.
Yeah.
That hurts. That hurts.
Where you going,
Well,
Jack?
look at your puppies.
Jack and Lily and... Yes, there they are. And Sadie's going, what are you guys doing out? Okay.
Oh. Ow. You bit my toes really hard. Ow. You're really... Ow. That's my crotch.
Here, go get Amber, all you guys. All you guys. Little Jackie Baylor. Little Jackie Baylor.
Uh-oh.
Put them back on the towel and then I can take their picture. Oh, and up. Oh, I gotta stop because Poor Sadie. Holy cow. This is why we supplement feed. Come on, Sadie. Come. Good girl. You never mind, Missy. This is my little escape artist.